Hi, today is 13th day of communication skill enhancement practice. One thing common between you and me is that we all want to grow in our life. We want to achieve success. We want to complete our life with satisfaction. At the end of the day, we want a day that where we are leaving this world with say, satisfaction in our heart. So, how to achieve that satisfaction when we are leaving the world? The way we live. One thing I have learned that if we are not satisfied today, we cannot be satisfied at the end of the day when we are leaving the world. So, we cannot just wait for something to happen and we will be satisfied. We have to satisfy today. How to be satisfied today? If we learn the thing which we require to grow, because we want to grow in our life. And if you are growing in a small amount, in an incremental amount, then we will be satisfied. The first day when I have learned cycle, then I am satisfied. First day I have learned chess and defeat my father, I am satisfied. I have played, I remember I have played, my father has taught me how to play chess, and he used to play chess with me, and after some days I am able to defeat my father, and that day was that was a successful day of my life, and I feel I enjoyed a lot that I have defeated my father in chess. Then I have not stopped. I have played chess too many times. I have defeated many players. I was at that time just 8 to 10 years old. Then I have played that lot much, and at the age of 16 then I have played in chess in my college, and I was able to defeat many players, my teachers, and at the final also I have reached the final and I have defeated the opponent in my final and got the chess championship. And getting something. So when the day I have defeated my father, I was happy. The day I have defeated someone, also I am happy, and the day I have got the championship, also I am happy. But something is happening, is a journey. Every journey there may be some defeat, there may be some win, but you should be satisfied throughout the life. That is the main motto. In the life also, you have to live, you have to fight many battles. We are not a king, but we are a king of our own life. And in our own life, we have to fight many battles. The battle is somewhere maybe a exam, battle maybe somewhere a relationship, battle is somewhere maybe a something learning new skills which we are very stocked and not able to reach that skill. Some battle may be something we are not able to grow in our career, but maybe we are trying doing a business and not able to doing that business successfully. So in our battle of life, we are defeating and we are winning, we are defeating and winning. But what we want to do is at the end of the day, when we are leaving the world, my message is we should be satisfied. We should be happy that yes, I have lived the life which I want. But at that day, if you will be leave the world with a dissatisfaction, that may be the reason because you are not satisfied today. If you are not satisfied today, then you will never be satisfied at the end of the life. Because if you imagine that something will happen, these various things will happen to me and I will live at the end of the life, I will be happy. That is not going to happen. At the end of the life, if we want to satisfy, we have to do something which is incremental growth. We cannot achieve growth in daily manner. What we can achieve is some improvement. That I have learned from many mentors, that 1% improvement. I am not saying that 1% improvement. I can, if somebody can improve 0.1% improvement of him, that is also give satisfaction. Satisfaction means incremental growth in our career, in our personality, in our skills is something we know. We just increase the skills, little refining. Something you have, you just organize it better. Something you have, and you have added something to that. So adding value to something, adding extra to something, learning new thing and improve the same similar thing, improve the personality, improve the way we talk, improve the way we represent, will be add value and will give you a satisfaction in our heart. If we live satisfied daily, if we live satisfied daily, the end of the day, when we leave the world, we will be satisfied and we will be definitely satisfied. So the two messages what I want to give is, one thing is we want to grow in life, but growing in life cannot be happen just by dream. And second thing which I want to say, that we want to, at the end of the day, we want to be successful, we want to satisfy our life. This satisfaction cannot be happen by just a dream or something will happen in future and we will be get everything and we will be satisfied. This can be happen by daily achievement. So the both thing, growth and satisfaction, can come by one thing. By we are doing one thing and we are getting the double result. How? We are doing small improvement to ourselves. Let's not focus with others. One thing is benchmarking, which very touched my heart. What we can learn, that is benchmarking. Benchmarking is the best in your organization, the best of you want to learn something. You can visit someone who is the best, and you can learn from that. But not complaining that he is doing better and I am not able to doing that. This will dishearten you. That is not benchmarking. Benchmarking is learning something, some skills from a best mentor of the world, maybe the country, maybe the region. That is benchmarking. You can go that, you can see him, how he is doing, and you can learn from him. You may be not able to do the same, you have seen something and you cannot just do the same thing as he is doing. It will take time, because he may have taken lots of time, lots of learning. After that he has got the skills and he is expert. But if you have to expert in that skill, you have to follow him, but with patience. You need patience, because you have to the end goal is you have to satisfy at the end of the day. So you keep patience, keep learning with the best person who has skill, which skill you want to learn. You want to learn personality development. You can learn, you can find some good mentor. You want to learn to English speaking, good English speaking. As you said, good English speaking will not happen when one day. It is a skill. It will take time. But one day it will happen if we will continue practicing and with a satisfaction in our heart and with a enjoyment. We cannot just practice like a machine, just on switch on that machine and switch off that machine up to 1 hour. You cannot do. We are human. We have emotion. We should be happy. We should be give happy emotion to that work, and that will be more fruitful. We should be happily enjoy speaking, because our motto is speaking English, which is a foreign language. It is not our day-to-day language. We are not speaking English day-to-day to everyone. It is a foreign language. It needs time to learn language. But we are learning 2 skills at a time, so it is a difficult thing we are doing too. The difficult thing, one thing is communication skill in a formal way. Second thing is a language, is English, which is a foreign language. communicating in a formal way is not our habit. Speaking English, which is a foreign language, is not our habit. Two new things we are learning simultaneously to grow in our career. Because as I say, that we have to grow in our career. We can grow our career, we can be satisfied throughout our life by improve the where we are. We have to improve the scale. We have to scale ourselves. We have to improve ourselves to reach more people. We have to reach more people. We should have more followers. How can we happen that? How can it happen? It can happen only if we can talk English. Because by English we can reach the whole globe. The whole world can understand English. Most of the part of the world. Maybe some parts you can complain that some parts of this China knows Chinese, Japanese knows Japanese, Russian knows Russian, and maybe that type happen. But there are people who learn. They want to learn new things. They also know English. They also try to learn English because English is a global language. We have to reach the whole globe. We have to learn English. There may be some person who is still unable to reach, but that is okay. That will be okay. So at the end of the speech, I just want to remind that what I have told, that we have to live a satisfied life. And to live a satisfied life, we have to grow in an incremental manner, in a 0.1% or 2% growth daily. That will be definitely give you satisfaction. And that daily satisfaction give you the satisfaction at the end of the life. Thanks for watching.